What is up? The sky, it's me, that car guy 2 here, and I recently hit 4K subs, 4,000 subscribers, and to show my appreciation, I will be giving shoutouts. Yes, in this video today, shoutouts. So I would like to give a special shout out to Ford Focus Sky 08. His channel link is in the description. He does a lot of different videos. He has cool videos on his car, a Dodge Grand Caravan, and he does like some gaming videos, and I really think you should check out his channel. He's a really nice guy too. He gives comments hearts and stuff, so he's really nice. He always responds. He responds quickly to comments, so he's a good channel overall. He doesn't have much subs, and I think he really deserves more subs. Our next shout out goes to Vehicle Appreciation. Similarly to my channel, he's a car horn channel, so he does a lot of car horns. I also think his channel is underappreciated, so go show him some support and subscribe. He does videos, and he's also nice about responding, so make sure you go and subscribe to their channels. Next up for shoutouts, we have Pixelboy9B, an awesome channel that does Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. I don't know much about that game, but he's really good at it, and I think you should definitely go. He doesn't have many subscribers, so you definitely need to go and sub to that channel. I don't think he uploads very often, but whenever he does, it's always very high quality videos, so you definitely need to go subscribe. Next up is, I think I'm saying this correctly, Crundry22. They do like car videos, gaming videos. Definitely should go subscribe. They're another channel that's good at responding quickly, and overall nice channels. You know, you gotta like those channels that just give your comments hearts, that respond, and overall a great channel. So I think that all these channels, you should definitely go subscribe, and the next up, you should also subscribe. Next up on our list, we have POV, Point of View, City Cars and Trucks. Very underappreciated channel. Their videos are amazing. They have very high quality videos, but they don't have many subs. Their channels, their videos just don't have many views, and I think you really should go drop a like, because their videos, they have a lot of time put into them. They're high quality. Definitely go sub. Definitely think that all these channels, and all of them in this video, deserve lots of likes, lots of subs. Speaking of lots of likes, lots of subs, another channel that deserves all those things is Mr.J Game. Definitely go sub. Amazing Detective Pikachu and Pokemon related videos. If you want to learn about Pokemon, that is a channel I recommend. That is the everything you need to know about Pikachu and the Detective Pikachu game. So definitely go sub to that channel a lot, and the other channels too, because all these channels I've mentioned have been selected for a lot of reasons, and they all meet the criteria for a shout out. Another channel that needs more likes, views, comments, it's Bad Drivers of Southeastern PA. Yes, a big dash cam channel, not necessarily a huge YouTuber, but they're very nice. A lot of things, these channels, they just don't care. They don't really appreciate their subs. This channel is one of the few channels that appreciates all of that. And that is why I've chosen this out of many dashcam channels to put on this video. Bad Drivers of Southeastern PA. They have a 2019, I believe, Nissan Altima. It's that one. And yeah, I definitely think that their videos are high quality, so definitely go sub to them, and they're very nice. So yeah, go sub. Definitely go sub. Speaking of very high quality videos, they also appreciate their viewers. Bad Drivers Out East, yes. A very good dashcam channel that appreciates their views, that responds to their comments, and is always willing to respond to a comment, and is very nice. Like I said, a lot of channels, they just don't care. They never respond to comments. They never give shouts. They just don't care. But Bad Drivers of Out East and all the other channels, they do care. And that's one reason out of the many reasons why I chose this channel. Also, high quality videos. I think that they put a lot of time into their videos, and I definitely recommend their channel. They're one of the few dashcam channels without swearing, so that's good. No excessive yelling. Our next shout out goes to JR's Car Reviews, another channel that is very good about responding to comments. I definitely think you should go check out this channel, car review channel, and one that does not have as many subs as they deserve. Definitely go check them out. All these channels, go check them out. The link will be in the description. Just go to the description. Just go drop a like, drop a sub. That would be greatly appreciated. Last but not least at all is Carboy34, another car video gaming channel, So go drop a like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. They definitely deserve it. Carboy34, all of these channels, links in the description. Just check the description. Just go drop a subscription. One subscriber does make a difference. 99 versus 100, 999 versus 1,000 definitely makes a difference. So please go drop a like. They would like it. I would like it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the 4,000 subs. Very awesome. Thank you for watching.